Hey there, welcome. Let's use today's session to recenter and set an intention for the rest of your day. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down. Rest your hands where they feel natural. And in your own time, gently close your eyes. Bring all of your attention to this very moment. Nothing else matters. Allow your mind to be still. Shift your awareness onto your breathing, taking a deep breath in and releasing it fully. Feel each breath as it flows in and out of your body. In through your nose and slowly out through your mouth. Allow your breath to feel natural and easy. Don't try to regulate it or force it. Just let it flow naturally on its own. And continuing to breathe that way, notice any place of tension or tightness in your body. Give those areas permission to relax, allowing any tension you're holding to just melt away, sending love into those areas. Allow your body to rest for a bit. It's okay to relax. It's okay to slow down. You deserve it. You are a priority. If your mind starts to wander off, know that it is perfectly normal. It will happen. It's natural. Just try to bring your attention back to your breathing. Notice each inhale and each exhale. Notice how each breath feels in your body. Let's take a few more deep breaths together. In through your nose and slowly out through your mouth. This time, try counting in your mind on each inhale from 1 to 10. And as we near the end of this session, remember to take a moment to thank yourself for taking these few minutes and for being intentional and kind to yourself. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly bringing your attention back to the room. And have a great day or sweet dreams. And if this felt good, please subscribe and like this video to support the channel.